All hope as well. Have a good training week. It is Wednesday the 26th. Yep, 26th, just making sure. So going to go for euro dollar and dollar, the sort of dollar index, and see what price did today. So down here's the open for New York. London session, pretty choppy here. Ran up higher, took out buy side here. So just before that, we took sell side here. So let's actually dive what actually happened here. Looking at the one, okay, we've had sell side taken here, right? So I would like to see, if we want to start trading up higher, I'd like to see this CB here act as an inversion fair value gap. Let's see what price does here. So it's traded. Look at that there. Already, that's an indication that price wants to go higher, okay? So sell side's been taken here. What are these 4 down close candles, 5 down close candles? That's a bullish order block. Bullish order block here. I'm gonna go grey. Mean threshold, price taps that to the T, closes above the midpoint of the inversion. Lovely. Now, so we've had sell side order block nicely respected. This BISI here, I want to see act as support. So I want to see this get respected. Let's get rid of that. Make that purple. Okay, and we have seen this here, a nice projection up. Where does price want to go to? Well, people have sold off here. They can have their stops above here. That is our target here. Okay, and then just keeping it simple, buy side of the curve, sell side of the curve here. This is sell side of the curve. So order block here. This is SIBIs here. You want to see all of these just act as support. Let's see what happens there. I mean, look at that. You can just see that price is just showing this as support. Doesn't want to go lower. Starts trading up higher. Does any of these want to start acting as support? This one here trades what to the T. To the higher that, trades lower, breaks above, fails to break, fails to act as support. What does that tell you? That price is a little bit bearish. It's not that strong for the bulls. We finally get above again. Midpoint act as what? Support, and then look at that, runs buy side here. Okay, so that's what happened during London session. So New York session is coming up here, so obviously there's not the London kill zone there, so you shouldn't really be looking to trade. Okay, so what's happened now? We've had buy side taken here. This here is bearish order block here. Look to the left, is there any SIBI here? Not really. Potential on the 15-minute time frame, is there? Nothing really. There's this little one here, but I don't think price even taps into that. Looking on the 5 again. So we've had buy side taken here. Okay, just going to be patient. Nothing else is telling me it's too one-sided just yet. Let's see if it wants to respect what this is a SIBI. Here. This candle here, one's what? Minor buy side here. That's the order block. So we've had a rejection of what? We've had a rejection of the SIBI here, order block here. You can also draw to this candle, here, like the low of the candle. So rejection of order block, SIBI, buy side's been taken. Nice rejection lower. Now I'd like to see an inversion fair value gap. Look at this little one here. There, inversion, nice. Again, similar, sell side of the curve, buy side of the curve. I mean, look how choppy this price action actually was though. So this goes to show, this here is a balanced price range, okay? So there's not many inefficiencies here. So price is balanced in the market there. This means that once price gets to around this level here, it's going to be very, very choppy, so expect high resistance liquidity trades. Okay. What happens when the price gets to this? Let me just draw the box out here. Expect choppiness. Look at that, choppiness here. Okay. Our target was down here. Look at the equal lows here. I know price took sell side there, but people are going to think this is good support here. So that's too smooth, so that needs to be made jagged. So that's why once you've seen the rejection of the order block, the SIBI buy side been taken, then you should be looking sell side. All this is sell stops here. Price jumps lower, fair value gap here. Look at this here, buy side of the curve, sell side of the curve. So it closes below, comes back up, breaks below, retests nicely here, the 825 candle. After that, the 825, then you should be looking for a fair value gap here. What's that there? Fair value gap. Get the midpoint. Make that red. Where does the bodies? Bodies is below the lower quadrant, or the lower half of this fair value gap. Does price take that there? Slightly does. What does that mean? So people who sold this here have moved their stops a little bit too early. Price takes them out, and then what does it do? Absolutely dumps through to take out people who are long this morning from down here. Looking at the dollar. Dollar was nice as well. And remove this, remove this, remove this. Dollar was more cleaner than euro and pound. Okay, so we had what? The run lower. So we had a run on buy side here. Drops lower into what? A SIBI. Order block here. Simple, simple. So it's SIBI there, order block there, buy side there. Where does it want to go to? Back into the what? Daily opening gap, sell side here. People who long this during Asia got taken out here. London session, what we had run on sell side, breaks above, taps into what? Midpoint of the daily opening gap. These three candles is bullish order block, and what's that? BISI. Trades above, bang. Then what do you want to do? You want to start looking at this here. You want to look sell side of the curve. You want to start seeing this act as what? An inversion. Boom, breaks above, retest. What does that tell you? That price wants to go long. There. Starts trading up higher. Where's the next draw on liquidity? Oh, look at that. Boom. What does price do? Leaves these equal highs. What does that mean? So that means potentially tomorrow, or either later in the PM session, people, retail traders, are going to think this is a high resistance here. So people are going to be selling this. That's just a trap here. I think that price will end up taking that soon. That's way too smooth. But yeah, that run on buy side here, lowest fruit from the tree, from what? Inversion fair value gap, beautiful here. Runs nicely, takes out that. Looking on, again, using what? The midnight opening range. Look at this. So everything that I've just mentioned for euro, you have that, and then you also have this chart as well. Why is price going sideways? Look at this, it's inside the midnight opening range. Boom. Look at the midnight open price here. Look at the wicks. Look at that. And then what does it do once it breaks above the midnight opening range? It runs for what? Liquidity here. Taps into what? Yesterday's midnight opening range low. And then breaks below. So it's rejected that, breaks below. We've had the what? Bias to short. Why? Because buy side's got taken. SIBI, order block, closed. Where does it want to run to? Sell side down here. What does it get stopped from? The midnight opening range. What does it do once it closes? It expands lower. And then what does it do? Trades just inside the midnight opening range again. So that's what Euro done today. For me, the only entry was here. So once we saw buy side got taken, order block rejected, inversion fair value gap, it then, where is it? So it pulled into the 5 minute here. Sorry, where's it gone? Pulled into the 5 minute SIBI here. Okay, respected that. What's this here? Inversion. Oh my days. Sorry guys. Inversion here, and then draw that back. Made that red. Get rid of the midpoint. So inversion here, SIBI, rejected. You then want to go into the 1 minute time frame and look for what? An inversion fair value gap or a fair value gap. What's this here? Fair value gap. What's price not doing? Closing above the high. What's this here? Inversion. Okay, and if you guys are still watching this, I'm going to drop you a little bit of gold. So inversion fair value gap here. Nice, respects it there. Breaks below. Sorry. Breaks below, and then what does it do? Does it tap into the inversion fair value gap? Wow. Get the midpoint of that. Look at that there. Taps it there. So this actually still is the inversion fair value gap here. Taps it. What does it do? Absolutely jumps down lower. That's one more entry here. What's the time? 8:03. What's that mean? Macro. What's it going to run for? Sell side. Sell side, sell side. What does it reverse here? Look at the low. How crazy is that? So that was the only entry for me, would have been here. Trades lower, back into what? Sibby here. Again, there isn't really much. You want to start using the buy side of the curve, sell side of the curve. The thing I spotted here. Trades into what? Into that there, 8:30. Drops lower, back into the fair value gap that I showed you before. That could have been another entry here. And then what does it do? Absolutely tanks lower. So yeah, that's how Euro moved for me today. Shout out to the Inner Circle Trader for teaching these for free. Leave a like, subscribe. Hope you like this type of content as well. Oh my god. Hope you like this content, and I will speak to you guys tomorrow, and there should be another video as well. Today's price action wasn't even that good, so if you guys took a loss or you didn't trade, then no worries. Like, this is not nice price action at all. You should be easily seeing buy side of the curve, sell side of the curve. So you should be seeing like BISIs and stuff like that. This is just balanced price range here. Just so many wicks and stuff like that filling like the fair value gaps and stuff, which is just not nice price action. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you soon or speak to you guys soon. Be safe.